Everybody tryna change my mind, yeah. This is why I keep my lifestyle on the low. Cause nowadays everybody don't need to.
Yo, YouTube, what's up? Shamaah back again with a video, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna make it a brief video. Actually make it into parts, but it's been a minute since I dropped my last video. I wanna say probably 2-3 weeks now. But if you guys don't know, I am a full-time college student and I work full-time. So I just kind of been, you know, had a lot going on. But I'm on spring break this week, so I finally got some free time. And we're gonna get right back working on this bike. So I don't know if you guys remember, but no, I didn't even put it. So last video when I taught my boy Zay how to ride the bike, I decided to make another video after, just a riding video. And it just so happened that my GoPro wasn't working correctly, so I didn't even get that footage, but it is what it is. But when I was riding, the engine ended up locking up on me, guys. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about here. Engine is completely locked up on me. I was riding and the throttle was acting weird. The bike was kicking weird. And then next thing I knew, it just completely cut off on me. I had to push it all the way back home. So, I mean, the bike needs a engine rebuild, and that's what we're gonna get to. So I got everything I need. I ordered a YZ125 rebuild kit, and it's not much more to say. We just gotta do this. I'm not even mad that it happened, to be honest, too, because last time I rebuilt the engine was last year. Like a full engine rebuild was last year, and this is like my third time doing it. This is gonna be my third time doing it. So, like I said, this is just more practice. I know what I'm doing is easier, so I'm happy. And there's more content that I could put on my channel. So that's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna get right to it. It's currently Sunday today. I have nothing to do today. I probably have a game later on tonight around 7 or 8. So, you know, we're gonna start tearing down this bike. Like I said, I'm not gonna make the video too long. I'm gonna probably make this a 2 or 3 part video of me just rebuilding the engine, rebuilding the bike, all that. But I'm gonna try to keep it at between 10 and 15 minutes. And we're gonna get right to it. We in the garage right now, warming up with my DeWalt's heater, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get right down to breaking down this bike. So let's get it, man. Okay, quick little rundown, guys. Got the gas tank off, got the subframe off, got most of the bike torn down now. Got the exhaust off. But one thing I realized just now is when I was draining all my liquids, when it came to the coolant, it seemed like I had no coolant in the bike, which is kind of odd to me because I always check all my levels, all my liquid levels. But when I was going to drain it, literally nothing came out. What's on the ground there is all that came out. Just that little bit of droplets of coolant. So I really don't know what happened. I don't know if I had a coolant leak on the bike or something. I don't remember seeing any coolant leaking out before. But we're gonna see how this piston looks when I get this top end off, and I'll give you guys a little rundown then. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, got the bike completely teared down. Got the engine off. My frame is extremely dirty, so I'm gonna go to the store one of these days, grab some super clean and some aluminum cleaner or something. Just get all these stains off, you know, oil stains, brake fluid stains, all of that. Gonna give this frame a nice cleaning before the summer, before the spring. And got all my parts here. Got the transmission, got the oil chain, carburetor, all the other little parts down there. We got our engine over here in this box. Got my parts. And Let's take a look at this spark plug real quick. I just loosened it to see what it looks like, see how my bike was running. Doesn't look that bad. Actually, it looks really good, to be honest. May be able to reuse this. Yeah, don't look too bad. All right, well, I'll go ahead and clean this garage up, push this bike out the way. Actually, I think I might take this shock off because I got a new shock. Try and pull that off, clean the garage off, move all my parts out the way, get this gas out of here, and I don't know if I'll be starting on the engine today. Depending on how I'm feeling, I might. We'll see, but I honestly got a lot done from what I just from doing all of this. Getting the engine down this fast, that's probably the fastest I've ever did it. So depending on how I feel, I might go upstairs real quick, chill out for a little bit, eat, do something, and probably come back down and start working on this engine since I already got everything I need for it. And if you're still watching, if you're still tuning in this whole time, I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna turn this video into a part 2, engine rebuild, and appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.